Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can fix no sound in WhatsApp status on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to put your likes and write comments at the end of the video. So, if you are facing the problem that you have no sound in your status, then I'm going to show you a few ways you can fix it. First of all, always check if you have sound turned on, because sometimes we just forget to turn on the sound. We have silent mode. To do that, swipe down on the right-hand side of the screen from top to bottom and see if you've got the sound minimized here. If it is, then just pull it up. Second method. To do this, go into your phone settings, swipe down to main. Next, select iPhone memory and swipe to WhatsApp. Click on it and select this feature here, which is called Unload App. With this feature, the WhatsApp app will be deleted, but all your data will remain. Once the app is unloaded, you need to click on Reinstall App here as well. This will reset all the settings. It can also fix all the problems that are related to your lack of sound, clear the cache, and thus WhatsApp can start working as usual. If that didn't help either, try simply rebooting your phone. This can also help you fix the lack of sound in WhatsApp. For this, you will need to press the power button and the boost button at the same time and hold it down. Then you will get a page like this. You will just need to drag this button to the right side. Thus the phone will turn off. After it turns off, wait for about a minute and turn it back on by pressing the power button. This way, the phone will be reset. This will also help it to reinstall some software as well. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. You have seen how you can fix no sound in WhatsApp status on your iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write your comments.